What's up, tube? Just gonna do a little stump grinder removal today. Take it easy today. Boys got to go out and finish up a couple things that we didn't get to finish up. So just gonna go make a little bit of money and then get back to the office work. So we're gonna be using the Bandit SG-40 stump grinder. It's really nice. Fits through a 36-inch gate. And it's worked well for me. No issues, zero issues with it. It's probably got about 500 hours on it. The only thing that did happen to me is one time I lost a tooth bracket, one of those, and I was this close to finishing a stump, and I tried to push it and it was shaking the machine so violently that it cracked the bottom oil pan in there. I had that fixed, but that was probably operator error. And so you learn from your mistakes, and I will not do that again. So I hope you all enjoy the video, and thank you for watching, and thank you to the ones that follow the channel, like the channel, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate it, and enjoy the video. Thank you. So this is a ported Echo 355T that I got from Ripsaw, and that I converted to a Panther setup with a quarter pitch socket, 20-inch Panther bar, and 20-inch Panther chain. I like Panther stuff. They're a little sloppy on the bars, they keep splitting, but I think they fixed that issue, if I'm not mistaken. And they also have a more not safety chain, so still makes a raker, their rakers like doubled up on each other. These have single rakers. In all theory, cuts quicker. So hopefully Nate didn't mess this saw up too bad. It feels pretty sharp, so we'll get it going. But yeah, I love their chains. The bars, I believe they just fixed them. They made it a little bit more durable at the top here. So hopefully that is what it is. So let's get ripping here, and then we'll get the grinding. Not a bad little saw. So what they did here is they ported it, they advanced the timing, gasket delete, they also modified the exhaust, and I did a different thing. I put a little ejector there. I didn't want it burning the thing there. I don't know if you can see that. And the gasket delete, and then they ported the cylinder for more intake and exhaust export. So in theory, it's bigger, so it lets out more and takes in more. In theory, that's all more power. So we got 1 stump, 2 stump, 3 stump. Let's get to the grinder. Just so I can explain it, right? So they're installing a fence and it's going from that post straight to that other post right there. It's not going to be directly where this fence is. So they didn't want this to continuously grow and get wider and wider and start bowing out their fence. So we came in to grind this, and if you can imagine, right, this is as close as I can get without taking like risks, right? And what I mean by risks is that thing's spinning at hundreds of miles an hour, and if this thing grabs a hold of this fence, it's gonna suck this whole fence and crimp it. I'll probably bend a couple of these posts. I'll wind up replacing some of these posts on the fence and replacing the chain link. So it's just not worth the risk, right? Sometimes you gotta like just talk to the customer and explain to them what's going on before you start to proceed to do the job, which I did with William or Sebastian when he came out here. I told him, hey look man, I'm gonna get as close as I can. He says good, I just need it gone so that they could run their post there, just so they come to an understanding. But you know, it's just not worth it. You know, it's a $400 job, $450 job, right? It's just not worth it to go ahead and get a bunch of fence to risk damaging my machine, one, and you know, replacing teeth and all that stuff. Just gotta talk to the customer, man, make it happen. So that's it for today, man. We're gonna throw like one thing I can't stand YouTube, when people come do a job and they leave it messier than when they arrived. Maybe that's why I'm still in business, because I make sure that doesn't happen. You gotta make sure that you clean up what you gotta clean up. You know what I mean? That's all she wrote. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking. Thanks for sharing. Also, Instagram me, John Dugan 88. TikToks, JON_Dugan, DUGAN 88. Give me a follow there too, man. Also, Facebook Reels. Follow me on there, Jonathan Dugan. Thank you all. Thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. See you on the next one. Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Please like, share, subscribe.
Like, subscribe.